This is what your Windows 11 start menu and taskbar look like after end of this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show that how to customize your Windows 11 start menu and taskbar using Windhawk. So let's dive in. In this tutorial, I'm going to show that how to customize your Windows 11 default start menu and taskbar. To customize your Windows 11 start menu and taskbar, you have to download and install this software called Windhawk. After installation, you will see an interface like this. Then we have to install some mods. Click on Explorer and then click on Windows 11 Start Menu Installer. Click on Details and install it. Then copy this script and go to Advanced and paste it here. Then click on Save. And then you have to install Windows 11 Taskbar Installer. Click on Details and install it. And copy this Taskbar Installer code. Go to Advanced section and paste it here. Then you have to install Taskbar Height and Icon Size. Click on Details and install it. And then copy this taskbar height and icon size script. Then go to Advanced and paste it here. Then click on Save. And this is it. This is how you can customize your Windows 11 default start menu and taskbar. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.